Hi guys, I am Hitesh. Today I'm here with this product which is Quizify, and what this product will do. Actually, this is actually just because of this product you will start getting some traffic in the form of anything. Actually, main purpose of this product is provide you good quality of traffic, but the method of this product is very different. So what is that? That is it will let you create quizzes, surveys, polls to generate leads, traffic, and definitely sales on autopilot too. Okay, so all these things you will be able to do on autopilot. Okay, guys, you don't need to do hard work again and again. All time you don't need to do manual work. Actually, you have to just set and forget, and it will done and it will run all these things on autopilot. Okay, guys. So, for example, if I go for quiz, for example, I want to gift something, for example, any software or tools or bonus, whatever. So, what I can do, I can put some quiz in front of my people. I can put some surveys in front of the audience. Okay, I can put some polls in front of the traffic. So what will happen if they will interested in my product? So they will easily do all these things. But the main thing is what, guys, okay, about this product, generally people do all these things without any gift or without any type of the attraction. Okay, generally people are too much interested in this type of the things, not in survey but in quizzes and polls they are interested, guys. Okay, so all these options you are going to get here. I'm coming with member access area. This is member access area, you can see here. Okay, so we will discuss each and everything. You can see here three options, which is quiz, polls, surveys. You can go with anything. Okay, you can just create your own. So I'm going to do that in front of you directly, all these things. You can just integrate some things also, like get responder and something like that. We will just see this also. Okay, so that if you get any leads, so by using this type of the tools, for example, get responder, so what you will do, you can just perform email marketing campaign on your leads. Okay, on your leads which you get from this quizzes, polls, and surveys. Okay, and on that lead you can perform your email marketing campaign, guys. Okay, so that's how this complete process will work, and in that process this product will work for you on automation, guys. So I hope you got my point, guys. You can just come on this page through the link below and you can just take complete information, because I put each and every information perfect. Okay, you can just see all these things: effortless real-time creation of unlimited quiz, polls, and actually from scratch. Main thing is it's all unlimited. Okay, works on any smartphone, tablets. Actually too much plus point you are going to get, guys. Okay, create video quiz, poll, survey. It will be innocent, guys. Okay, it will be awesome video quiz, guys. Video quiz. So what it will do, it will grab your attentions, actually not your attention, your traffic's attention, audience, and all your people's attention it will grab. Okay, guys, all these things you can just choose from YouTube, Vimeo, and all these things. So attention grabbing video always provide you good traffic and leads also, as well as sales also. So all these things you are able to come here and you can just read, and when you click on this button you will just redirect on this main page, and here you will get more information, guys. Okay, and later you will be able to understand this product is going to fit for you or not. So guys, this is the member access area, some surveys, total quiz, post, actually all these things you will see here. Okay, this is your analytics, how many things you drive. Okay, and what you get, you can just see here. This is total leads. Okay, so that's how it will work. Okay, some pre-made things for you, you can see here. Pre-built many done for you things already available for you. See, you can see all things are about quiz. See, quiz, 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 business quiz, work life quiz. This is again business success quiz, money investment quiz. So actually you can see, guys, this all things are obviously interested. Okay, if anybody want to some financial advisor, so they will definitely go ahead in this. Okay, they will go with this quiz, they will reply. Okay, guys, and that's how you will start getting traffic in real, in perfect niche. For example, I want to get traffic in finance, so just you can run this type of the quiz, or you can create by your own. Okay, you can just create polls also, surveys also. So what will happen, I will get finance related or finance niche related leads. Okay, so for example, this is content marketing. So if I'm looking for online marketing interested people, okay, so if I'm selling something online related, online business, something like that product, so I can go with this. So online related or online marketing interested people who are interested in MMO, make money online type of the niche, they will definitely go ahead with this quiz and you will get leads. So for example, I'm just going to preview this one. This is about financial and later we will just create our own also. Okay, so right now I'm just using this one preview and what it will happen, what it will look like. So I'm just going to start quiz. So you can just see and we will just see this type of MOQ option you will get. Financial advisors are legally required to serve in your best interest. So this is yes or no. So I'm going for yes. Next. Financial, okay, whatever. Okay, guys, whatever you can do. Okay, you can just put 5 to 10 questions, and that is how you will just start getting some leads. So let me see when it will. Okay, here you can see percentage. Okay, guys, how much it's done or how much is left or remaining. So just let's see. Let me finish this one, and later we will go ahead. Okay, after finishing the quiz, you will see your lead. Actually, your audience will, it will ask to your audience to put their information into your info below to get your results. Okay, so for result, they will just put their information and they will submit and you will get this, guys. Okay, so I'm just using this one for example. Okay, and it's done, guys. Okay, that's how. So that's how. Just see, this is bonus, which if you want, you can just provide them. So that's how this complete system will work, guys. I shown you already. Okay, that's how you can go ahead with this. Actually, some pre-made things are available for you. For example, this is for marketing, this is for business, this is for geography, this is for regional. Okay, something like that. Moon quiz, feeling, actually each and everything related to many niches. The options and quizzes are available here so that you don't need to go ahead from scratch. Okay, so let me show you some polls also. Okay, if okay, so some polls also available, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to preview this one. I'm just going to use later I will think to use about it. Okay, before that I want to preview this. Later if I think it's good for me, then I will go ahead with this for use. Okay, this service currently closed. Want to create your own service, so I'm just not going to create my own. So I can just go ahead with that. Okay, create, I can create. So these are some surveys. So for example, this, see guys, this is for Zim Fitness, means this is health niche. Okay, health niche. So if you are working in health niche, so this type of survey you can use, okay, in your niche. So start the survey. Okay, I am going to start. 7% it's done. What is your gender? Male. Your age? 25. In case if you have any health issue, I don't have any health issue, prefer no, I don't have. Okay, so I'm just going ahead. Okay, guys, that's how you will actually, you will not only get the leads, guys. Okay, you will get personal information about your leads also. So just because of this process and just because of this Quizify tool, you will get more. Actually, you will get leads in normal, but you will get detailed lead. Okay, you will know about your leads in deep, and that's how you can just pitch your service. You can just provide your products. Okay, guys, and that's how you will make your profit. Okay, so these things you need to understand, guys. Okay, these things you need to understand. So I'm just going for this. 47%. And it's done, guys. Okay, so again, if you want to submit and continue, so you have to just put your detail. So that's how, guys, you will get your traffic and leads, and later you can just do some email marketing for them. You can do some more things. You can provide some free gifts, and you can also, with your free gifts and bonuses, whatever you want, you can pitch your products, you can just pitch your services, guys. So that's how you will just do this. Okay, guys, so let me show you what is here. Projects. So I'm just going to see this, what projects are coming here, and it will download, it will upload. Till then we will go ahead. Okay, so I think it's done from my side. So okay, so these are some projects, guys. Okay, here you can just on and off your project. Okay, previous project, if you want to continue, then you can just active that. Otherwise, you can just do off. Okay, something like this. So it will be done. So these are some types: quiz, polls, or surveys, whatever you can see. See views, 5 views, 4 views. Okay, you have to just put in the in front of people. Okay, you will learn how to get traffic inside this. Okay, video projects also are available here, leads, upgrades, and bonuses, all things are available here, guys. Okay, so let me show you, these are some already pre-made things. So we are just going back again. Some video projects will be too much good, so let me show you what is coming in these options. So see, someone added YouTube videos, guys. Okay, YouTube videos, and this is, I think, this is quiz also. I think it's a quiz, but okay, created. Okay, name, too much options you are going to get, guys. Okay, this is created, or what options you want to do. You can just create video from here also. So for example, if I click here, so let me see, you can just put your name. Okay, fashion guys, something like that. Okay, and I want to take from, I want to take video from YouTube, internet, start time, whatever, guys. Okay, and just you have to publish. Okay, guys, that's how you will start getting some leads, traffic, and later you can just pitch those people your product and your services, guys. Okay, that's how some leads, actually it is, it will be your list, what, how many leads you got from your quizzes, from your polls and your surveys. So these all things you will see here. Okay, guys, send to integration. If you did any type of integration, you can just send them, and on this complete leads you can just direct perform your email marketing, guys. Okay, which I already told you. So it will be too much easy. You don't need to go again and again, and you don't need to do manual work again and again. Directly it will be start from here. Okay, if you put your integration here. So for example, I'm just showing you integration, and let's see what will come. Okay, this guys, these are too much easy. Okay, there is nothing too difficult here. So new integration, I'm just clicking on this. Let's see what will come in front of us. Okay, guys, no worry, it's not, don't have access right now for me, but for you it will be done. Okay, so you can just attach your tools. You can just integrate your tools by using API keys. Directly from this dashboard, you will be able to perform email marketing on your leads. Because if you getting some leads, so it will automatically create list, okay, which you can see here directly in leads option. And on that particular list, you can perform your email marketing, okay, related to your product or niche. Okay, which type of audience list you created by running quizzes. Okay, so because if you will, if you will just generally you will run quiz related to some niche. Okay, guys, something like that. So this is upgrades guide. I am not going with this. Some bonuses here you can see some bonuses. Okay, so bonuses you are already going to get. So I'm not going to show you these things because it's too much easy. So these are some audio, 6 audios are available. You can just go ahead with anything. Here you will get more traffic, guys. Okay, so you should go ahead with this directly. So because if you will get traffic, you will start getting some too much leads and something all that. So back again on the dashboard, guys, and let's see what type of the bonuses I'm providing you. For example, let me show you one create project because I didn't do this for you. So I'm just going for new quiz. Okay, this two things you can do easily. So I'm going for this one. So let's see what will happen. Heading, for example, okay, so I have to just play around with this. Question guys only. Okay, start button text, start button icon. Okay, fashion guys only, start button text. Yes, I am, button icon. Okay, so that's how you will see. Okay, you can just select anyone. For example, I'm selecting this one. So that's how it will look like. Okay, and I think it's done or what result title. Okay, so you have to just completely create this all this thing, guys. Okay, you can just put your squeeze space something like this. Okay, so it will be done for you, and this will be result title. So you have to just create all these things. Okay, guys, from here, see. Okay, you might be thinking where I will do these all things. You have to do all these things here. You can just put your question. You have to just create your appearance from here, and from here you have to just start asking something to your people. Okay, project title, put anything. Project start date, select anything, whatever you want. Okay, guys, something like that. Now you can just publish, and later after finishing the quiz, you can just put squeeze page in front of you that people. Okay, you can just easily create a squeeze page, start making questions. Okay, so I'm just going for that. So this is step number one, new question. Do you love question? Okay, so brief answer, required answer, required question to answer. So you can just do this, or if you don't want to do, if you want to just MCQ type multiple choice, if you want to put in front of them, so you can just choose this one. Okay, you can just create your own answers. Okay, and so they will tick on that. Okay, and just you can just add new steps, for example, something like that. New questions, new questions. Okay, guys, so I'm just deleting this one. Okay, your complete preview will be here. Okay, you can see here directly. And at the last, you have to just show the result. Okay, after getting leads, something like this. Okay, and just it's all will be done, guys. Okay, so here you can see result. Okay, result one and all. How many people provided you leads? Okay, details, something like that. Lead form you can put. Okay, you can just create your lead form according to your wish and your choice. Enable lead form, capture lead name. Yes, this will be too much optional, too much important for you. This is result page. You can show you according to you. Okay, put all these things here and it will be look like here. Design, you can just select from anything here. Select anything from here. See, too much options are available. You can just put your logo like this and you can just go ahead. Okay. Tracking, you can just take your leads also. Put your Facebook pixel ID, tag manager, Google tag manager. You can just go outside, you can search about that and you will be able to put your complete. Okay, so what will happen just because of Facebook and Google? Okay, if you put your Google ID here, Google analytics ID, when you will put here, or maybe Google Pixel also you can put here. After putting that, you will be able to see your tracking. Okay, directly on Google. Okay, how many people are providing you leads, how many people are looking your quiz, how many people are on active or available on your page. That type of the things you will be able to see. So okay guys, that's how it will work, and this will be the complete process of Quizify. Okay, and that's how you will start making some profits and benefits, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side, guys. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can just put in comment. Okay, this will be the page, final page. I already told you each and everything, some bonuses I'm providing you. If you don't want to waste your too much time, energy, and maybe some little bit money for getting traffic on your quiz, surveys, and polls, so this special bonuses will work for you. Okay, this will help you. And this is for Pinterest, this is for Instagram, this is for Instagram also, this is for traffic, this is traffic hover, guys. Okay, it will work for you guys. Okay, so don't worry, this product will definitely work for you. And this is again Facebook traffic engine. So from Facebook you will start getting traffic, guys. So these all bonuses are just related to your main product. Even if you pick up front end of Quizify, okay, you will get all these bonuses with this product. And this complete package, okay, this complete business bundle will help you to make your profits and benefits, guys. Okay, because these some bonuses will help you to get traffic on your quiz, and later after getting traffic, this product will start working automatically. Even in this product you are getting some traffic systems and methods, but if you apply more things from this type of the things like traffic over, you can see Facebook traffic engine, you can see, so you will start making some more traffics and you will grow fastly. Okay guys, so we will meet later with another masterpiece, guys. Till then, bye.